guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Kwanda, and yes y'all, I know it's been a minute. I feel like I say this like a little too often, but yeah, I'm back with another hair video for you guys. I know I've been gone for a while, so today your girl is coming back with another hair review, hair video, hair tutorial for you guys, and it's going to be very simple, very quick, a nice protective style, something you can snap on. Always for the quick, you know, easy protective styles, because I'm always doing 101 things, so I definitely don't want to spend a lot of time doing my hair. I'm so excited because, you know, I've tried out the I-part wig. They were also coming out with the V-part wigs, which I've definitely seen those around on Instagram, social media, for a while now. But I just want to shout out to Sunber Hair for reaching out to me to review this V-part wig for them. It's going to be a kinky curly V-part wig. Of course, I have to show you their packaging. It's in this pretty hot pink box, and of course they give you some nice goodies. So, baggie full of goodies, and then, you know, you have your drawstring bag that says Sunber. They have wig cap, which even if you don't use a wig cap for the V-part wig, you can use it for, you know, any other wig that you apply. I think this is like a silk scarf. Use some lashes and some little clips, which I definitely needed some of these. I'm so glad when companies send these little hair clips. You can never have enough of those. So the current time is 2:47, right? I have to pick up my son, or I probably have to leave the house at like 3:20. So the goal is to get this on and looking good before I go pick him up. That's gonna show you how quick and easy it is to apply this V-part wig. As you can see, I just have two little pigtails. Since this is like a V-part wig, and you can wear it multiple ways. You can do like side part, middle part, no hair out. If you want to leave a little hair out, you can. I just decided to put my hair in pigtails because I hardly ever braid my hair unless I'm like installing a frontal wig or like a closure wig. That's literally the only time that I, you know, try to braid my hair, because honestly, braid my hair is definitely time consuming. I just made sure I moisturize my hair. Any protective style, just make sure your real hair is nice and moisturized underneath, whether your hair is in plaits, braids, even a ponytail. Some people, you know, wear ponytails under their wig. You know, not everybody wants to braid their hair, has time to braid their hair, or not everybody knows how to braid their hair. So whatever you can do to get your hair flat, that's what you need to do. I'm going to cross them in the back. That's usually what I do, just so they're not like hanging and in my way, and just so they don't fall out of my wig and I'll be sitting there looking crazy. Okay, so I just went and grabbed me two little bobby pins. That way I can crisscross these plaits in the back and kind of bobby pin them to the side. Like I said, you can do like a middle part, side part, whatever it is that you want to do. Right now, I'm going to show you guys a middle part. I'm going to take my 4 clips, unsnap them. Usually once I put the clips in place, they stay there. But if you have like fine hair, you definitely want to tease your roots. That way, whenever you do place the combs there, they stay better, and it blends in better as well. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my handy dandy water bottle and I'm just going to kind of like spray my hair. So first I'm gonna go in with like a little leave-in conditioner. Usually when I'm wearing curly wigs, I'll do like some type of leave-in conditioner just so my hair is not dry. Right now I have this laid, but you know, I'm gonna be like brushing my hair probably and doing different things to it, which is gonna make this kind of slide a little bit. So I will fix that afterwards. It's the BioSilk Silk Therapy Leave-In Conditioner. Definitely with curly hair, I like to go in with leave-in conditioner just so it can be moisturized, especially, you know, when your hair is air drying. You know, curly hair tends to get really poofy. So these curls are beautiful and full. I kind of detangle it a little bit just because the curls were just a little too tight and perfect looking for me. So I'm gonna go in and do the other side. I'm gonna fix my part, make sure it's looking right because I'm sure it's shifted with me kind of like pulling and tugging and brushing on it. And then I'll give you guys my final thoughts and my final review of this wig. I have everything looking the way I want it to look. I'm not gonna add any layers in this. I know I usually do, but I actually like it just like this. Like, alright y'all, so here it is. It's pretty much air dried all the way through. I like the length and everything and just how it looks already. Of course, if you wanted to have more, you know, volume or whatever, you just take your wide tooth comb. I just wanted it to have like a tad more volume. Okay, so this is the finished look. I just wanted like nice, big, fluffy curls. I just thought that would be a cute look. So my final thoughts on this wig, on this V-part wig, is super easy. It looks natural. It was super quick to install. You can put it on and take it off whenever you like. The hair itself, it was extremely soft. It was beautiful. Like I said, the curls were nice, beautiful, and soft. And they are super defined. They were super defined before, but even with me like brushing it out and using my easy detangler brush, they're still very defined. Still super thick, bouncy, it flows really nice, it's not dry at all. So I always let y'all know at the end of every video if I would buy this wig with my own hard-earned money, and this is definitely a go for me. There's the back. Shout out to Sunber Hair again for sending me this wig to a review. You guys already know what to do. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you leave me a comment if you have any questions. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.